How to screen clients. Is the client qualified to loan? Letter A. Screen client's capacity to pay. Example, loanable amount 1,200,000. In income required 23,000 gross monthly income for 30 years loan term based on payslip and what's declared in their ITR. To compute gross monthly income requirement based on loan applied is through HDMF amortization calculator www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. Options if client is not qualified based on his or her income requirement. Number 1. Look for a co-borrower provided that they are related within the second civil degree of consanguinity or affinity. Second, or pay the loan difference outright or within 1 month. Next, screen client's marital status. It is important to screen the client's marital status, especially those clients not legally separated, because under the law, any property acquired during their marriage shall be considered part of the conjugal property and shall be owned by the husband and wife unless client can provide documents such as final decision from the court. Next, screen clients' existing loans. It is important to screen clients if they have pag-ibig housing loan that was foreclosed, cancelled, bought back due to default, or subjected to dación in pago, which shall include cases where the borrower is no longer interested to pursue the loan and surrender the property existing loan. Those are instances that client will not be allowed to avail a pag-ibig housing loan unless above mentioned cases are settled or a letter from HDMF providing that they are qualified to acquire another loan. Discuss important details that buyers should know. Number 1. Borrower's eligibility. For pag-ibig loan, must be a member of at least 24 months. If not, client may pay 24 months one time or reactivate pag-ibig contribution to avail housing loan. Number 2. Reservation fee is non-transferable and non-refundable. Number 3. Equity shall commence 30 days from date to date of reservation and must submit PDCs or post-dated checks as the developers hold an assurance that clients will pay their monthly obligations. Number 4. Requirement submission must be submitted within 15 days from date of reservation. Number 5. Computations and schedule of payments. Breakdowns on equity and estimated loanable amount and monthly amortization for for pag-ibig and or bank financing. Computation may possibly change if there are errors in computation, facts and figures which the developer have to write to correct loanable amount applied by the buyer has decreased or increased. Number 6. Amortization policy. Amortization will commence a month after loan takeout and eventually be paid simultaneously with the equity or processing fee, especially if these have not yet been fully paid. Next, cancellation of policy. Non-submission of requirements, non-payment of monthly equity and processing fee, falsification of information and documents, failure to inform the true marital status, delaying of takeout of loan with existing housing loan, cancelled or assumed account. Next, title transfer policy. For bank or pag-ibig accounts after loan takeout. For deferred spot cash accounts after full payment, note process of title shall take a minimum of 6 months up to 1 year. Move-in policy. For bank or Pag-ibig accounts, loan takeout and fully paid, or at least 50% of equity and processing fee paid. For deferred and spot cash accounts, full payment.